Have you ever thought, what if this is all just a dream?
Hi friends, I have been making YouTube videos from last 3-4 years and I have been getting quite a good response. But actually I wanted to see more and more response from the subscribers, from the viewers, from the people who watch YouTube videos. But I have not got a tremendous kind of response that I see for other videos which I also watch on YouTube. Today I just wanted to know what people want to like to see on YouTube. So I searched on Google. I was curious about knowing what actually people want to see on YouTube. So I went to Google and I searched, and this is the result that I've got. So people want to see different kind of things on YouTube, and the first priority of people to watch on YouTube is vlogs.
Number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
There are more than 5 billion social media users worldwide. YouTube has 2.49 billion monthly active users. 47% of the online global population are on YouTube. 80 million paid subscribers are there on YouTube. The total value of YouTube is about 30 billion US dollars. This information is based on the data that is available on Google. But I would like to know, what do you want to watch on YouTube?
The number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
So when I searched on Google to know which is the most common topic that the people watch on YouTube, the number one is blogs, number two is tutorials, followed by entertainment, product reviews, funny animals, video testimonials, reviews, reaction videos, unboxing videos, educational videos, explainer videos, video games, hauls, webinars, walkthroughs, collection videos, compile funny videos, behind the scene videos, music videos, interview videos, product tutorials, beauty and fashion videos, challenge videos, create your own videos. So these are the different choices of people. I am making videos related to tutorials and also educational videos. So most of my videos are educational videos, plus I also have some tutorial videos, and I also make some vlogs, and when I go on some trip I make some vlogs also. So please let me know what kind of videos that you want me to make and post it on my YouTube channel, so that I can make the videos that you like very much. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet again in the next video with some other topic. Thank you very much.